Hey everyone, and welcome back. It's Bubs B here. I'm so glad you stopped on this video. I have a quick install using seamless PU clip-ins. I'm so happy that I can come to you all and show you how I achieved this style. So let's get into it. I would like to mention that I am partnering with ULAHAIR in this video today. ULAHAIR specializes in providing a wide range of high quality wigs and hair extensions that's going to cater to any need of their customers. So let's see what came in the package. They sent me over some lashes, a wig cap. They also sent over a fine tooth comb. They did send a brochure, a pamphlet that gives in detail the do's and don'ts with their virgin hair. So definitely read that if you need to. And they sent me over 2 packs of their seamless PU clip-ins. Each set comes with 6 pieces. Like I said, it is virgin human hair and it's in a natural color, and I did get the length in 18 inches. And not to mention, the texture is kinky curly. So you can see the design of these clip-ins. They are very seamless, as the name states. All you have to do is just clip it into your hair and you're going to get super flat clip ends. You're not going to be able to tell where these wefts are and where they begin. So we're going to get started into the hairstyle. I did part my hair from ear to ear. I'm going to pin the front away and take care of the back. I'm using some water here to saturate my hair. I will be doing some cornrows in the back. Now this is definitely not necessary. You could blend your own natural hair with these clip-ins, but I wanted to put my hair away completely, so I'm going to be using this leave-in conditioner by Eden Body Works. This is their lavender and aloe moisturizing leave-in conditioner. So my first time using it, I really do like it because if I use just enough, I'm able to detangle my hair and it gives such great slip and moisture, and my hair was feeling super soft with this. So I'm now going to detangle the section and proceed to cornrow. So I'm not the best at cornrowing my own hair. I just want to make sure these braids are secure and my hair is tucked away. So whatever it takes, I'm going to get these cornrows done. But I do like to take my time and make sure each section is detangled so I can get a smooth, seamless canvas. Now this is the last braid. I'm doing the same thing. I've already added my product. I did detangle and now I'm just cornrowing this section. And as I am cornrowing each section, I didn't get to show you all, I did include the previous section, the ends on the previous sections, just to ensure that everything is tucked away and neat. So you kind of can see what I did. Like I said before, I'm just adding the previous section into the new section to make sure everything is seamless and you do not see any leftover ends. Now for the last section, I'm just going to tuck it underneath in the back of my nape and just use a bobby pin to secure it. Now it's time to work on the front. I'm going to saturate my hair with some water. I'm adding more of that leave-in conditioner. Like I said, it works so good at moisturizing my hair. Now I did part my hair off camera. I just did a diagonal part. Now I'm going in with one section and starting to detangle the section. All right, I do take my time with this because my hair is at a fragile state. I am going through postpartum shedding right now, so I'm just taking my time and being as neat as possible. Now I love this edge control from Silk Elements. This is their Mega Silk Extra Strength Edge Gel. This thing gets my hair sleek and slick, and it gives you that great shine, and it just helps at making any parts neat, but it does help at keeping that section neat and tucked away, because I do have some loose fine hairs all throughout this section because of that postpartum. So I'm just taking extra steps and care to make sure my canvas is smooth and this section comes out super flat. All right, now it's time to flat twist. This isn't a flat twisting tutorial, but you can kind of see my technique. I literally just twist and add hair as I go. It's very simple and straightforward. I'm holding each section taut just to ensure that my hair is not flying away, that I'm not getting puffy roots. I'm keeping it super taut and flat to my scalp. And if I have to, I will go in with a detangling tool just to ensure I'm keeping the section detangled as I am twisting. And now I'm just moving on, doing the same thing to the next section. I cleaned up this section with that edge control, leave-in, detangled, and all of that. And now I'm just flat twisting my hair. Now I'm just going to add some swoops on the front, you know, do my edges, and I'm going to set it with a scarf. Now it's time for the moment you guys want, and it is time to add these clip-ins into my hair. So like I said, this style is perfect because this is going to be a go-to protective style for you. This is low manipulation, and you can keep your hair moisturized, oiled, and lubricated up while actually rocking a gorgeous hairstyle. So I'm adding each set of clip-ins to my hair, and I'm going in a layered effect to ensure that everything is flat. But I really do love these clip-ins. I love the curl pattern. I love how seamless it is looking. PU clip-ins are so different than the original clip-ins. There's no lumps, no bumps at all. Everything is looking flush and flat. But I'm taking my time right now and just adding those clip-ins to my hair. I want to mention the softness of these clip-ins. Wow, they are impeccable. ULAHAIR definitely has great quality clip-ins. The hair feels super strong and sturdy, but it's not rough at all. The texture is super soft, and I'm just loving that curl pattern. Yes, I love that curly curl pattern. I think if you would like, you could definitely comb these out and make it even fluffier and bigger, but I definitely opt for keeping the definition. I just really wanted ultra definition in this hairstyle. Now, as I'm moving to the top of my head, I'm going in with the clip-ins that have only one clip-in on it because I want the top to be as flat as possible, especially since the top of my head is a lot smaller than the back of my head. So I am trying to arrange the clip-ins the best way I can to ensure that I'm not getting any lumps and everything's looking super flush to my scalp. Now, to ensure that there are no seams, I'm going in with one last clip, and I think this is the one that has 4 clips in them, and I'm going to clip it actually across. I actually just did this to cover up those tabs of the clip-ins that are underneath it, just to ensure everything is looking flat. And now to cover up that band, I'm going in with one clip-in over top. I'm just going to bobby pin it over top of it, and you can't even tell. You can't tell at all. Now it's time to actually moisturize the hair some and set the curls. I am going in with some water first, and then I'm going to actually go in with a mousse. This is the Soothe and Restore mousse by Trey Lux. I love this for my actual natural hair, but on these clip-ins, it added immense shine and super softness, and it's going to really set the curls and ensure that the ends aren't looking frizzy, because I wanted to go with ultra definition. You know, that's totally different for me. I usually like super fluffy big hair. Like I said before, you definitely could comb these out and make them super big and full, but I loved my results. These look so good and natural. They are beautiful. I am enjoying these clip-ins, and they definitely were a treat. Let me know down below what you thought of this video. I'm definitely going to leave some coupon codes down below. Check out ULAHAIR's inventory of wigs and extensions. They have a vast variety of textures and different styles, so definitely head over to their website. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.